Okay everybody, this is me having coffee early in the morning. Trying to hold my kid. Dog won't leave my side. The dog's girlfriend is right there. My girlfriend is right there. And all I want to do is have some coffee. Oh, let me tell you, my hands are literally full, y'all. But check out this little coffee shop we found. This place is pretty cool. It's like super rustic in an old city. Take a quick look. You can see this building right here. They built it to look all rustic and old, right? It's about 4 or 5 levels. They did a great job. You can rent these little rooms anytime you want. They got a swimming pool right here. It's enough for a couple people to hang out. They even got a little kiddie pool as well. Dogs are welcome, as you can tell. And then they fitted out this whole little area where you can just come and relax and have some coffee. They got great breakfast. This whole place has like a little old school, like a California Hollywoodish theme or something. A lot of cool little old historic barn looking homes. If we go way back here to the left, they got the little bathrooms down there, barbecue area, etc., etc. So, if you guys plan to maybe have a cup of coffee and you're in the old city, make sure you come to this place. It's called Good Morning Chiang Mai. Alright y'all, so little Nicholas is sleeping. We gotta get him to go into the little stroller cart and continue our walk around the block and do our morning little routine. This is Red Cowboy signing out. Take care y'all. See you soon.